What up, babes?
Yeah, again now. Back again for some comedy again now. I have Mr. Josh Wolf again now.
Sir, Mr. Josh Wolf again.
So the last one was so hilarious.
Yo, this dude here, hey, we'll have to check out more.
Yeah, man.
And won't go up this one here. Is as interesting. Dick pics. D-pics. Somebody else realized that was dick pics.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I way more business. Way more coming. So you know what's not going to leave us already. I know my name is set up yet, though.
Alright, anyways. Alright. That's not the only laugh I do. I'll try not to laugh. I am doing a no challenge laugh with this one, sir. That laugh that I gave, that's the last laugh, sir. I'm telling you.
You're sure? You're
sure, sir.
Alright. Well, me I'm gonna laugh because we know this one.
8 bars entertainment, the pre.
Yeah, boy, let's go.
This is my son's, one of his greatest ones, right? I got an iPad for a gift. And I didn't know how to set it up, so I gave it to him. And I go, man, will you set this up for me? I don't know how to do it. He goes, yo. And he brings it back later and he goes, here you go, Dad. All set up. Just so you know, your iPad is the cloud. Everything from everybody's devices goes to your iPad. Everybody hearing that? Everything from everybody's devices, my iPad. So I'm scrolling through pictures on the road, seeing what I want to post, looking through. And as a man, when you're sitting on your own bed, looking at your own iPad, looking at your pictures, you never want this sentence to leave your mouth. I stop on a picture and I go, well, that's not my dick. Now, at first I thought somebody was sending my wife dick pics, and I had that one beat, so I wasn't even going to say anything to her, you know what I mean? I was going to be like, keep looking at that skinny dick, babe. I feel pretty good about myself. It's not going to be as funny when I come out of the shower doing the helicopter tomorrow, is it? Is it? But then I recognized the IKEA desk that I had built for my son behind the dick, and I was like, oh my God, I built that desk and that dick! He's sending people dick pics! So I go down into his room, I'm like, hey man, he goes, yeah. I go, you want to explain to me again how the cloud works? And he was like, oh, you're so stupid. And I was like, yeah, no, we'll see. I said, break it down for me real slow if you can. He goes, okay, Dad. You take a picture on your phone and it goes to the iPad. I'm like, what else? He was like, Mom takes a picture on her phone and it goes to the iPad. I'm like, what else? He was like, I take a picture on my phone and oh no. Hey, can I see that iPad?
Laugh, man.
And I said, no, not yet. He goes, okay. And then he goes, so, how's your day going? I said, earlier today, not great. Right now, I'm having a fucking time of my life. That's good, Dad, because when you're in a good mood, we're all in a good mood, so. And then he said something that did make me laugh. He goes, well, thanks for stopping by. He tried to pull a Jedi mind trick on me or some shit. These are not the dick pics you're looking for. So I go, no, I think I'm gonna stick around for a little bit. And he goes, oh, okay. What a treat. And he said, so, did you have a question you wanted to ask me? And I said, did you have a question you wanted to ask me? And he goes, well, sure, I'll go first. And his girlfriend's name's Ashley, right? And he goes, were there any pictures of Ashley's boobs on there? And I go, Jacob, are there pictures of a naked underage girl on my iPad? And he goes,
This way.
So his son is underage,
Yeah.
basically,
Yeah.
right? Cool, because I don't think he would allow his to have a. So his son is underage.
So about 13 or 14?
Yeah, somewhere in the region there.
Yeah.
So he'd have a girl in his age group.
Yeah. And if people search before I find one underage girl, he did a for your phone.
well, not if you didn't see him, there aren't none. I go, no, dude, it's this. And he goes, well, that's just my dick. I go, I know what it is! And he said, I'm so glad you saw that. What do you think about that angle? I go, no.
What? So you went from being scared of him seeing it, realize that his sight. Now you want to have a conversation about your dick with you. You're comfortable enough now to have a conversation with your dad about the angle that his dick was taken, sir.
We're close. We're not checking each other's dick pics close. Like, that's not what's going down. And I finally had to tell him. Look, don't send dick pics. The penis does not photograph well. I told him. Nobody has ever looked at a picture of a dick and been like, I love this picture. Ever. And I told him, I know how you think women react when they get a picture of your dick. It's how you react when you get a boob on their phone. When a teenage boy gets a boob on his phone, they lose their mind. There have been a couple times when I've just heard this from the living room. Yes! They're like, yeah, titty. They do the titty dance, the whole thing. That is not how you women react when you get a picture of a dick, right? Just so you know, when a woman gets a dick pic, she goes like this. Followed by this, Stacy Love. Because she has showed your dick to everybody. And tomorrow it's going to be on Snapchat with dog ears. Come to my party! And she wants that
shit. Yes, sir. Ah!
So now you should never know that.
I tried, sir. I am sweating, sir. Right? I'm perspiring, sir. Alright, so. The angle that I thought he was going to take, and this, I didn't saw that coming. You understand? I didn't see it that way, as in, his son, whatever. But I thought it was going to be, he took a picture to send to a female, but actually send it to the wrong person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it would be somebody that he does not like. They are no longer in any agreed, no talking or anything. So if that gets out, it's all over the place.
Instead of what he actually sending to your mother.
Our father or something like that. Yeah. Why even that? Send it to your daughter. Anyways, alright, the next funny one from Mr. Josh. Alright, so on to the next one. 8 bars.
Hold.